thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. So today's painting is going to be a 3D flower. So the guys over at Massey Art Studio have done a few of these, and I'm following their recipe. I will put the recipe down in the comments, or description box, I mean. So let's get to it. All right, guys, I'm going to be using white as the base coat for this painting. Let's see. The other colors are going to be parchment. And I have purple red. This is cerulean blue. And this is light blue. And then I'm also going to mix light blue with some silver and some white. I really wanted like a grayish blue. I didn't really get that, but I'm also going to put the pouring medium recipe down in the description box. It's a little different. It has PVA glue as well as floetrol, and I got the recipe from Lee over at Massey Art Studios, and I'll link to their video as well so you can kind of see how they do this particular technique. So I'm going to use the skewer to draw lines into the center instead of out. Unfortunately, somehow I got off center. My canvas is level, but I don't think I started in the center to begin with, and that has messed things up. But we're just going to go with it and see what happens here. Say hi. Daisy, say hi. All right, guys, my painting is done. It's still a little damp, but I'm getting ready to move it into the drying closet. It didn't hold its shape the way it should have. I don't know if it's because I got it off center. I don't really know. I don't know if it's because I started to tilt it to try and get it back to the center. But here it is. Sorry, my helper doesn't like it when my hands are not on her. So it's still kind of cool. Somehow I ended up with cells. I don't know why. When I want them, I can't get them. And when I don't want them, they show up. But you know, I definitely want to try this one again because I really like the way it looks when it does hold its shape. So yeah, and I have plenty of those same paints mixed up, so I might just try it again. This time try to get it at least in the center and see what I can get. Sorry. As you can see, Daisy Lou is very needy. Yeah. Can you, do you want to come up here and say hi? Come all the way up. No? Okay. Anyways, yeah, so I'll keep trying that one because it was fun and I really enjoyed using my spinner. And my cake spinner is linked down in the description box as well. Just look for it. And I'm an Amazon affiliate, so if you buy through my link, I get, you know, a few pennies that I can spend on other paint, and it's at no cost to you, so go do that. Anyways, if you like the video, click the like button, the subscribe, and keep coming back. Bye guys.